Mold is a common household problem that can cause serious health issues and expensive damage if left unchecked. It grows quickly in damp, humid areas and thrives on materials like wood, drywall, and fabric. To keep your home safe and healthy, it is important to understand how mold grows and what steps you can take to stop it before it becomes a bigger issue. Make sure to use exhaust fans when cooking, bathing, or doing laundry. If your home does not have built-in ventilation, consider using a portable fan or opening a window to let moist air escape. In basements or other humid areas, a dehumidifier can help keep moisture levels low. The first and most important step to preventing mold is controlling moisture. Do not overfill closets or storage areas, as this can restrict airflow and trap moisture. In the attic, make sure insulation is dry and that there is proper ventilation to prevent condensation. If you notice any signs of mold, clean the affected area right away with a mold-killing solution and identify the source of the moisture so it does not happen again. Mold can grow on dust, dirt, and other organic materials. Remove water-soaked items immediately and use fans and dehumidifiers to dry the area thoroughly within 48 hours. Mold can begin to grow within a day or two if water is left standing for too long. Vacuum carpets regularly and wipe down surfaces often, especially in areas that are prone to moisture. Use mold-resistant paint and materials in high-moisture areas like bathrooms and basements. By being proactive, you can protect your home and your health from the dangers of mold. A little effort now can save you from big problems later. Install waterproof barriers behind walls and under floors where water is likely to be present. Make sure your home has proper drainage outside, so that water does not seep into the foundation. Do not leave wet towels, clothes, or sponges lying around for too long, as they can become breeding grounds for mold. Mold cannot grow without moisture, so keeping your home dry is key. Always fix leaky pipes, roofs, or windows as soon as you notice a problem. A small leak might not seem like a big deal, but even a few drops of water over time can create the perfect environment for mold to grow. Ideally, indoor humidity should be between 30 and 50%. You can purchase a simple hygrometer to keep track of this. If humidity levels are too high, take action immediately by increasing ventilation or using a dehumidifier. Next, focus on ventilation. Bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms tend to collect a lot of moisture. Another way to prevent mold is by keeping your home clean and clutter-free. It is also important to monitor the humidity level in your home. When it comes to home design and maintenance, certain choices can also help prevent mold. Furniture and other items should be kept a few inches away from walls to allow air to circulate. In case of flooding or water damage, it is crucial to act quickly. Finally, be on the lookout for early signs of mold, such as a musty odor or discoloration on walls, ceilings, or furniture. In summary, mold prevention starts with controlling moisture, improving ventilation, and staying on top of cleaning and maintenance.